Start by restocking supplies and doing high dusting before you touch wet surfaces to avoid recontamination and repeated work. When you restock first, you prevent interruptions that force you to set down wet rags or touch freshly cleaned fixtures with dirty hands. Gather all consumables like toilet paper, hand soap, and trash liners and place them within easy reach so you do not recontaminate surfaces while searching for supplies. High dusting means removing cobwebs, ceiling fans, vents, light fixtures, and the tops of cabinets before you wet any surfaces, because dust will fall and land on wet areas and create streaks or require rewiping. Use a telescoping microfiber duster or a clean, dry microfiber cloth on an extendable pole and make slow, deliberate passes toward the nearest exit so dust falls away from clean zones. Work from top to bottom and from dry to wet, which means ceilings to counters to floors, and dry dusting to wet wiping, keeping separate cloths for dust and for disinfection to avoid cross-contamination. Finish each zone by replacing items you removed so you can inspect the cleaned surface unobstructed. Common mistakes include starting with countertops or sinks, which leads to dust settling on wet surfaces and forces you to clean again, so always dust before you wet. Forgetting to restock supplies, which causes you to handle bins or touch fixtures with dirty hands. Mid-task. So, collect all items at the start, and using the same cloth for dusting and disinfecting, which transfers oils and debris to sanitized areas. So keep clearly labeled dry dust and wet disinfect cloths and launder them after use. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting people in their communities. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare local experiences so our members can make better decisions.